Yo, what's up you guys? Welcome back to another one. So today I will be installing an air oil separator, but I don't have all of the tools, so I will be running to AutoZone or O'Reilly's, and I'm gonna get a long nose plier and some hose clamps, not hose clamps, but some tools to close up the hoses so that coolant won't come out. And I'm not trying to put new coolant in there. Coolant's pretty expensive nowadays. But yeah, start up the car, let it warm up, and then get the day started. Catch you guys in a few.
A few moments later.
So I did about 1 hour of driving just to pick this up. Something you will need if you're gonna install AOS for a WRX, and long nose needle plier. Good thing I work at a shop, so I was able to borrow it. This one's longer, so more useful and easier. So now I'm going to jack it up, take off skid plate, everything. After I am done jacking it up, taking off the top mounted cooler and the charge pipe. You already know how it goes. There's like a lot of videos on it already for instructions. Yeah, the air oil separator will be on top of here, located right. I did about 1 hour driving, so now I just gotta let this thing cool down so I could get started on it. So I'll catch you guys in a bit. So I've taken off the top mounted cooler. Let me get the charge pipe out. But as of right now, I'm gonna open this AOS. Full package. Okay. A lot of pipings, hoses, here it is. Two. They came out with a new one, V3 I believe, and I don't really know what the big difference is, but I guess it's a little bit better, supposedly. I don't know. Oh, that's nice. Metal. Yeah, that's everything that comes with it. But I I still gotta take out this charge pipe, but I think I'm only gonna take this out since it seems like I could get through everything. This piece here, the bottom piece could stay, but just this top piece might have to come off. So I ran into some problem. Apparently IAG didn't send these fuel clamps, and that one's just too small to fit this one too. So I had to send my younger brother to go get some more. Okay, other than that, looks like it's almost done. Just need some more hoses to go in. Probably got like 1, 2, about 3 more hoses. But yeah, everything looks good. Alright, you guys probably wondering why I'm wearing the light, but needed it because it's pretty damn dark. So even with the lights on, it's still daylight. But other than that, yeah, I got the lights on because it's pretty damn dark, and needed it to see what I was doing. Alright, so for the 18 WRX setup and everything's probably a little bit different from the 15 and 16 and probably the 17s too. So I was watching some videos, and they said that the ECU unit, which mine is right here, is supposed to be taken off, but a lot of theirs was located over here. But there was still some a bracket here that needs to be taken off, which is that black one. Yeah, I've taken that one off just to make room for the IAG or the AOS. And then I just put this back on, but I still need to look carefully before I really put everything back on. But yeah, hosing, everything seems to be pretty solid. Clamps, yeah. Then I ran into trouble with this one, which these clamps are pretty hard to take off, but apparently I didn't need to. They had a second, I think it was this one, yeah. They had a like a 90-degree angle right here, and I just connected it. It was that, if you can see that white piece, that's what it was connected to. And luckily they had this, which is just like a secondary wiring, so I just rewired it to over here, and there's this hose right here is connected down here. If you can see it move, yeah, it's pretty hard to take off, and plus with this clamp you're not able to, so I believe that's why IAG made this secondary wire right here to connect there. So it worked out for the best too. So they had given us some caps to put on, so that is nice. And also there's this hose right here too. See it? Yeah, this hose is connected to down there to a PCV valve, but they gave like a bushing thing to cover it up. And there's this wire. This wire is like a Y with a 90-degree angle, which I still have to put it in. It's kind of hard, but yeah, I just need to put it in and tighten it up. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Oh, as for this big one right here, I was following their directions, and they said run it down there, tie it down there. So that's pretty much it for mine. It's a little bit I guess it's a little bit easier than the other ones, at least for the IAG brand for the 2018 WRX. But I don't know how others might look like, but that's how mine turns out to be like. So it was took a while, but it was still good. I'm still not completely finished. I still gotta reinstall my top 9 cooler, reinstall a lot of stuff to reinstall. Oh yeah, by the way, you gotta take this out, your fan, radiator fan, so that you could have room to mess around in there. So just got done, pulled it out. Gotta check for any. Gotta take it for a test drive. No, since it's pretty dark already. One of the boys came in, help me out. Look at the direction with me. Make sure that it's all correct, so that I don't have to restart and redo everything. So everything's good, and all that's left to do is click on the drive. Let's see how that goes. Also, remember to monitor. Remember to monitor your coolant. I have that on the access port right there. And make sure that it's all good. Monitor your oil temperature too. Well, on the WRX it has that. I don't know about STI, but most of the WRXs has that. So yeah, here goes nothing. So apparently, I don't know where I messed up at. Follow the directions and everything. It was running good until I got to the corner and it died on me. So I have to take tomorrow off. So I'll have to continue this tomorrow and check where it went wrong, If anything, I might just have to take it into the shop. Installation failed. Oh, this sucks. But it is what it is. Alright, you guys. Catch you guys tomorrow.
Day 2.
So it is the next day. Letting the car warm up. But yesterday, figured out what's wrong. So everything was tightened, except for this. That's why I was having trouble idling everything. But now it's all tightened up. Charge pipe is all tight. Nothing loose. Thank God. It wasn't anything bad. So that's all that mattered. And here's the AOS. Everything is installed. And I just want to give a big shout out to my coworker Jordan for coming last night to help me diagnose the problem. And thanks so much. Like, I probably would have had gone into work today, but luckily I did it because I needed the hours. Everything's installed, and like I said, follow the directions. I'll post it up down below to whoever wants it. And plus I also figured out that there was different versions of the Air Oil Separator. Mine's probably the first version that they probably don't have anymore, but there's a V2 and V3 series that IAG came out with. So different series, so different. This one was a little bit shorter than the others, so saved me a lot of time. But other than that, it was good. But yeah, thank you guys for following. Remember to subscribe, like, comment, and share this video down below. Thank you so much. I'll catch you guys next time, y'all.